Today we do page number 88. Okay, this is your homework, so all of you check your answer. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, so all of you check your answers. Okay, so 3 plus 7. Okay, so 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Okay, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Okay, and who give me answer? 5 plus 8. Who give me answer? Okay, Manya. Yes, Manya, give me answer.
13, ma'am.
5 plus 8.
13, ma'am. 13.
13. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Okay. Okay. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Okay. Next is 6 plus 8. And who give me answer? Raise your hand. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, give me answer. 6 plus 8.
13.
6 plus 8. Okay. 6 plus 8. So we count forward counting. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Now 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. And here we write down 14. Okay. 9 plus 9 is equal to Akshant. Give me answer.
Ma'am, 18.
Very good. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Very good, Akshant. Okay. So all of you check your answers. Okay. आपको answers भी check करने हैं अपनी book में कि आपने कहीं पे wrong तो नहीं किया है. If you wrong, okay, so you correct them. Okay, check. Now second is 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is equal to Shreyas. Give me answer. 13. Very good. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Very good, Shreyas. Now 9 plus 2 is equal to, who gives me answer? Raise your hand. Okay, Anvi. Anvi, yes, give me answer. 9 plus 2.
11.
9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Very good, Anvi. Now 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is equal to Janvi. Give me answer.
15.
Very good. 15. Okay. I hope all of you understood very well. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Okay. Now last is 4 plus 8. And who gives me answer? 4 plus 8. Okay.
8 के बाद 4 नंबर और पढ़ लो.
9, 10, 12.
12. Okay, very good. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Okay, so here addition is completed. Okay, so these addition sums are completed. Okay, all of you check your book. Okay, now next is subtraction practice. Okay, next is subtraction practice. Next is subtraction practice. Okay, subtraction means take away. Subtraction means take away. Okay, अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा? Addition. Now we read subtraction. Okay, now we read subtraction. Okay, subtraction practice. Okay, so first 13 minus 7. 13 में से आपको 7 माइनस करना है. ओके, एंड 13 minus 7 is equal to. Okay, Manya, raise your hand. Very good, Manya. Give me answer. First, you unmute them.
6, ma'am.
6. Very good. 6. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Okay. Now next is 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3. Okay, no, Manya, no. Other students, 15 minus 3 is equal to, okay, 3 subtract in a number 15. Okay, very good. Akshant.
पहले इसको पूरा करके
15 minus 3.
12.
12. Very good. बुक में से आप देख कर बता रहे ना. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Okay. Now मैंने आपको समझाया था 15 minus 3 किस तरह से आपको माइनस करना है. ओके, 15 minus 3. ओके, in the place of 5 ones. Okay, in the place of 1 and 1 is 10. Okay, 15 means 1 10 5 ones. Okay, आप ones में से ones को माइनस करेंगे. 5 minus 3 2 and 10 में से आपको कुछ भी माइनस नहीं करना है. राइट डाउन. ओके, आंसर इज 12. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज 19 minus 6.
ये
19 minus 6 is equal to. Janvi, give me answer.
13.
13. Very good. 19 minus 6 is equal to 13. Okay. Now next is 17 minus 4. 17 minus 4. Okay. And give me answer first. 17 minus 4.
30, ma'am.
13. Okay. 17 minus 4 is equal to 13. Okay. 19 minus 6 is equal to 13. 17 minus 4 is equal to also 13. Okay. 7 minus 4, 3, and in the place of 10, we write down 1 same. Okay. 16 minus 6. Next is 16 minus 6. Okay, and Akshitam, give me answer. 16 minus 6 is equal to Yes, Akshitam, give me answer. 16 minus 6, 10. 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. Okay. Now next is 12 minus 0. 12 minus 0. Shreyas. Shreyas, give me answer. 12 minus 0 is equal to 12. Okay. I repeat that 12 minus 0 is equal to 12. Okay. जब भी हम किसी नंबर में से 0 माइनस करते हैं तो आंसर क्या आता है? सेम नंबर. ओके. किसी भी नंबर में से हम 0 माइनस करेंगे तो हमें वही नंबर आंसर में आएगा. ओके. तो 12 minus 0 is equal to 12. Okay. Next is 14 minus 3. Okay, 14 minus 3 and give me answer. Give me answer, Varnika. Okay. Give me answer, Varnika. Varnika, open your video. Okay. Anvi, give me answer.
Eleven.
14 minus 3 is equal to 11. Okay. Very good. Okay. And last is 18 minus 7. 18 minus 7 is equal to. Okay. 18 minus 7 is equal to. Yes, give me answer, Manya.
11.
11. 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. Okay. Here, page number 88 is completed. Okay. So this was page number 88, addition and subtraction practice. Okay. So all of you check your homework. Your answer is corrected. Your answer is correct. Okay. All of you check your homework and write down these answers. Okay. And check your answer. Okay. So here addition and subtraction is completed and page number 88 is completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt? Addition or a subtraction? Okay. All of you understood addition sums and subtraction sums?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Any other query?
Oh, ma'am.
No.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So all of you open your math notebook and write down. All of you open your math notebook and write down. Today we do some questions of tens and ones. Okay. Tens and ones. Okay. Today we do some examples of tens and ones. Okay. Now first 110 and 4 ones is equal to 14. 110 and 4 ones. Okay. So in the place of 10, 1, and in the place of 1, 4. Okay. So here we write down 14. 110 and 4 ones is equal to 14. Okay. And give me answer 110 and 6 ones. Okay. Fair.
15.
110 and 6 ones is equal to 16. Okay. 110 and 6 ones is equal to 16. Very good. Fair.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is give me answer. Akshant, give me answer. 110 and 3 ones is equal to 110 and 3 ones is equal to आपको नहीं आया मैं आपको बताती हूँ ओके 110 ओके 110 and 3 means 3 ones है ना तो सबसे पहले 110 ओके and 1 3 अब बताइए क्या है 110 and 3 ones is equal to give me answer 110 and 3 ones is equal to Akshant, give me answer. One 10 and 3 ones is equal to 13. Okay. 110 and 3 ones is equal to 13. Okay. Now next is 110 and 7 ones. 110 and 7 ones. And who give me answer? Raise your hand. Vaishnavi. 110 and 7 ones is equal to
17.
17. Very good. 110 and 7 ones is equal to 17. Very good, Vaishnavi. Okay. Now next is Manya. Okay. Manya, give me answer. 110 and 8 ones is equal to
18, ma'am.
18. Very good. Okay. Is equal to 18. Very good. Okay, write down. Okay, so all of you write down these. Her, give me answer.
Sir.
110 and 1
And then 1, 11, ma'am.
11.
1, 11.
And 1. So here we write down 1 1 and 1/10. Okay. In the place of 10, 1. In the place of 1, 1. Okay. So 1/10 and 1/1 is equal to 11. All of you right now? Okay, Anshika. Okay, Anshika, give me answer. 1/10 is equal to 1/10 and 9/1 is equal to. Anshika, give me answer.
19, ma'am.
19. Very good. 1/10 and 9/1 is equal to 19. 9 is 1 and 1 is 10. Okay. So 1/10 and 9/1 is equal to 19. Very good. All of you right now. Janvi. Okay, and give me answer. 1/10 and 5/1 is equal to
15.
15. Very good. Very good. I hope all of you understood tens and ones. I hope all of you understood tens and ones. Do you understood tens and ones, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Akshuta, give me answer. 1/10 and 0. 1/10 and 0/1.
Ma'am, 10.
10. 1/10 and 0/1. So here we write down 0 and in the place of 10 we write down 1. Okay. So answer is 10. 1/10 and 0/1 is equal to 10. Okay. 1/10 and 0/1 is equal to 10. Okay. Okay, so all of you write down. Anvi, give me answer 1/10 and 2/1. And 2/1 is equal to 1/10 and 2/1.
12.
12. Very good. 1/10 and 2/1 is equal to 12. Okay. So all of you write down in your math notebook and write neat and clean. All of you completed?